I'm Brian with Socal Supermoto. We have a lot of people ask about the van, the Moto surf van, so I thought we'd do a very quick summary tour of the van. It's basically set up for doing motorcycle track days and surfing every day, occasional camping, so not like a full-time van life-y kind of thing. Anyway, I'll show you what's going on with this. It's one of our school bikes. We have like 25 of them. And ladder to get up. I have some solar panels up there. The shoe organizer like everybody has for all the daily stuff. Motorcycle ramp works really good. Just have it kind of zip tied in, and then on top of that we just have all of the surf towels on top of that. For storage we use these rally bags, which is like a company I was going to do making vans for vans, and I never did it, but we use them all the time. They work great. And as far as the inside of the van, one of the best things that we use all the time is this. What's really cool about the Mexican blanket is that it allows you to change, see what's going on, and allow airflow in. I use this pretty much every day, either changing into wetsuits or changing into motorcycle gear. The other thing I love is this is just a gravity feed sink. We just put a solar shower up here and gravity feed sink into this. It's basically like a little prep sink right here. And that goes into just a jerry can here that you can just empty out whenever you have time to. Dometic top loading fridge, which is pretty much Gatorade, beer, pickles, some nuts, surf wax. So that's been great. Up top is a loft that also works as a bed, and we usually have 4 or 5 surfboards up here. It's a couple long boards, a couple short boards, and then man, we've been working all weekend and camping all weekend. And so this is all of our motorcycle gear all over the floor. Usually it tucks into these bigger bags that we have down here, which work great. For lights, evening lights, we just have like the standard battery operated fairy lights. And then I have a whole bunch of 12 volt bright LEDs for when you actually need to find something. And I guess the last bit is, this is kind of cool. This is a standard bench that folds down. So this becomes a queen size, pretty much a queen size bed. And then to support this, I just put some, and voila, bed. So that's where we're camping at when we're at the track. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment below. I'm sure I forgot a lot of stuff. I just wanted to make it kind of a quick intro to the van. Favorite things that I use all the time: changing thing, sink, fridge, bottle opener. That's it. Thanks.